From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon and happy Wednesday, everybody. My name is Dylan Berk. I'm with the Penn State Campus Weather Service, and I'll be bringing you your Wednesday afternoon forecast. Let's start by taking a live look over Beaver Stadium right now. We see a bright and sunny sky, very few clouds around right now, with temperatures hovering around 40 degrees, with a light wind out of the northwest keeping it a little bit cooler at 34. Looking over the central part of the Commonwealth right now, we see much the same story. A little bit cooler off in the northwest, Du Bois at 35, Clearfield at 38, but off to the south and east for places like Altoona, up over 40 degrees, Altoona, Selinsgrove, and Williamsport at 42, and very mild in Harrisburg at 48 degrees right now. And looking over the rest of the Commonwealth, it is very similar story. Off to the northwest, Franklin at 34 and Erie at 37. Pittsburgh, though, a little bit warmer at 42. And off in the south and east, we see Philadelphia actually up over 50 right now, but very mild in the southeastern part of Pennsylvania today. And now looking at the radar and satellite, we see very clear skies over Pennsylvania this morning. Very clear, but maybe a few clouds off in the northeast by Scranton. Otherwise, mostly clear over the Commonwealth today. And looking over the eastern half of the United States, we see a very similar story with just a few light snow showers off in the upper Midwest for northern Wisconsin and Michigan, maybe some light rain showers off in the north of St. Louis area, but otherwise pretty quiet right now over the eastern United States. And looking back at Pennsylvania, we see today clouds are going to start to build in from the west ahead of our next precipitation maker. Into tonight, we'll see temperatures start to drop off as that precipitation comes in. Erie around 35, Bradford right around freezing, bringing some snow. Pittsburgh remaining in the 40s, though, which will allow that precipitation to begin as rain. State College as well, around 40 degrees. And as that precipitation moves through, it'll start off as rain for most areas. And as those temperatures start to drop, which they will drop sharply, Erie down to 15 by Thursday morning, Bradford at 14, State College at 24. That will begin as rain and transition to snow for much of the region, except in the southeast where Harrisburg remains around freezing, and Philadelphia actually up over 40 degrees will likely remain rain for this storm. And into Thursday, we'll see those clouds will start to clear out as that precipitation moves out. But overnight Thursday, temperatures will again become very cold. Erie around 15, Franklin at 14, and perhaps some single-digit overnight lows in the northern tier of Pennsylvania. Otherwise, temperatures remaining between about 15 and 20 degrees for much of the central and southern parts of Pennsylvania. And into Friday morning, we'll see some clouds start to build back in again, with temperatures moderating closer to 20 degrees for much of the Commonwealth. And continuing to look ahead at the future weather, we see those clouds start to build in again into Friday night and Saturday as our next precipitation maker comes in for Sunday, bringing soaking rains to Pennsylvania and actually much of the northeastern United States being affected by this storm. And as that moves out, we do see another small storm come in, bringing more mixed wintry precipitation, perhaps some snow for the northern tier, rain for the southern tier, perhaps some mixing in the central part of Pennsylvania. And that begins to move out, but as the tail end of that storm moves out, we see snow moving across for much of the Commonwealth into Tuesday night. And now let's take a look at State College weather for today. High 49, right around 50 degrees, partly sunny conditions with some light winds from the south. And into tonight, as that precipitation comes in, we'll see that scattered showers for tonight for State College with temperatures cooling off to right around freezing. Again, light winds tonight out of the west, 5 to 10 miles an hour. And into tomorrow, we'll see more seasonable temperatures for State College, around 36 degrees with mostly sunny conditions as that precipitation moves out for tomorrow morning. Again, light winds out of the west, 5 to 10 miles an hour. And taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, we see that temperature starting to cool down for Thursday night into Friday with an overnight low of around 15 for State College, but beginning to moderate for the weekend, around 40 on Friday, closer to 50 for Saturday, and Sunday, as that next storm comes in, we see temperatures much warmer, around 60 degrees for Sunday, 62 for Monday, but cooling off significantly Monday night, around 35, and remaining cloudy for the beginning of our next work week, Monday and Tuesday. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.